Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all doing today? How are you all feeling? I hope you all are feeling nice, good in this a new day. Today is the second day of which week? This is your week number 14, and your day is the second day, and this is your literacy class. I am your teacher Shaista, right? Okay, now we are going to play a kind of a game. Now, what game is this actually about? Now, this game is related to your different body parts. Now, I'm going to ask you to tell me the names of these body parts. Now, you know your body parts, you know what the names of your different body parts, right? So, it's only a game. You are going to tell me the different names of your body parts, right? Now, what is this part of your body called? This tiny thing. It's your nose. Very good. It's your nose. And what are these? These are your eyes. Very good. And what is this part of the body? It's your elbow. Correct. It's your elbow. Now, what is this part of the body? It's your wrist. Correct. It is your wrist. All right. Now, what are these? These are your fingers. Very good. And what is this? These are your eyes. Very good. And what are these? This is your, you hear it, your ears. These are your ears. Very good. Correct. And what is this whole part? This is your arm. And what is this? These are your lips, but this whole thing is your mouth. Wow, great job. That was so nice that you all know the body parts, you all. But what is this part from where you think about? This is your head, correct. But what are these? These are your hair. This is your hair, correct. So these were all the different body parts of yours, right? Now, I want you to open your Nelson English book and open page 64. And you can see on this page, there is a boy and they have shown the different body parts of this boy. Can you all see the different body parts? Yes. So you can see the shoulders, the neck, the nose, head is here, hair is here. These are eyes, you also know that. This is mouth, you also know that. This is arm, hand, these are fingers, this is leg, this is foot, right? This is ankle, then this is his knee. You can see this is knee. This is thigh, and this is wrist, which you also know. You have told me that this is wrist, elbow, shoulders. So, excuse me. These are all the different body parts. We all have the same body parts, right? So, why we did this today? Because this was the unit that we started yesterday, and that unit is, what's the name of the unit? Correct, it's growing up. How do you grow? These are your different body parts. And because you grow with these parts, when you are growing, your whole body is growing. Your hands are growing, your hair is growing, your legs are growing, right? Your whole body is growing, your feet is growing, you will have your different size of shoes as excuse me, as you are growing, your shoe size will change, your dress size will change, right? So this is all part of your growing up, right? Now, what we are going to learn, as you all can see, I have written on my board the different words, the IE words, the IGH words, and the Y words. Now, the words that have IE in it, the words that have IGH in it, the words that have Y in it. We are going to learn those words. Okay. Now, can you have any guesses? So what is the excuse me? Some of the words that have I and E in it. I and E. There are lots of words that have I and E. So some of the words that have I and E. Flies, sky, not sky, flies, die, right, correct. So now I'm going to show you my hand, and this in this hand there are lots and lots of words written. So this is my word hand. What is this? It's my word hand. Can you all see? Oops, I dropped one. Sorry. Just a minute. Now, this is my, you can see it's my word hand. Now there are so many different words written over here, right? Now, can you all read the words? What word is this? This is thigh. What word is this? This is thigh. This is cry. This is die. This is high. This is fight. This is light. This is night. This one is flies. This one is tried. This one is tight. This is sky. And this is tide. Right? So these are different words that are from that starts from IE. They have IE in it. Some of them are ends with a Y. Some of them have IGH in it. Right? So these are the different words. Now, what we are going to do? Can you all see this? Yes? Great. Now we are going to sort out these words in according to their pattern. Now how we are going to do that? We are going to write those words in our over here on my laptop whiteboard, since I cannot do anything over here. So all of you are ready. You are going to tell me what are the words that have IE. First we are going to start from First, we are going to start from IE. Now tell me IE words. Yes, what are IE words? Come on from here. You can say die, correct. D-I-E, die, correct. Okay. Then comes IE. I'm talking about I and E, tie, T-I-E, tie, correct. Now, then comes tried, R-I-E-D, T-R-I-E-D, tried. Then comes died, yes, D-I-E-D, died. Okay, we are all talking about I-E words, right? Flies, F-L-I-E-S, flies. That's it. Now let's come to IGH. IGH words, right? Okay. Now what are those? Thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Okay. Then comes high, H-I-G-H, high. Okay. Then comes night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Then comes high, I have written. Then comes fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Okay. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Then that's it. Now comes the last one is Y words. Now what are Y words? Come on quickly. Y words are the cry, okay, then sky, correct, then Y words, cry, sky, that's it. There are other words also, you can say fry, right? Then after fry, there are some other words, cry, sky, fly. Fly will also be F-L-Y. So you can see these are all different patterns. These are all different words with different patterns. There were words with IE, there were words with IGH, and there were words with Y. So they all are of different pattern words. Do you understand? Yes? So this was all that we were doing. It is also related to grammar as well as you can say it's related to comprehension because this all is going to help you out in your English language. Now, if you come back and look in your book and open page number 64. Now you can see they have explained that listen carefully to the sound I, E, I, G, H and Y make in these words like smile, tie, bright, sky. Now they are of different pattern. Now what you have to do is you have to answer the riddles by choosing the words in a word bank. Now what am I? Write the right word. Now they have given the word night, cry, rice, sky and spice. Now you have to answer the riddles by choosing the words these from these words. So there are four four of the sentences, four of the riddles. So I'm going to give you 8 minutes, 2 minutes for each one, 8 minutes, and your time starts now. Okay, class, time is up. Show me what you have done. The first one is, let's check what you people have done. A type of food. Rice. I hope you all like it. I also love rice. A type of food is rice. Number two, used to make food taste nice. What do you put? Spice. Correct. It's spice. The third one, where clouds float. Where clouds float in the sky. Correct. Okay. Number four, the opposite of day, night. Correct. When tears fall down a face, what do? You cry. Wow, well done, class. That means that you people know all these words, you people know how to solve the riddles, and we are all successful in learning today's task that was about I, E, I, G, H, and Y words, and you are all able to do this, and you are all able to name your body parts since it's the topic growing up, so you should know what are the different body parts. I hope you're going to do your homework yourself. I'll be posting that on portal and it will be related as I told you of the workbook page. Okay class, so bye bye, see you in your science lesson.